Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I'm doing a neon ombre set of nails with two smoke window nails. The smoke window nails are inspired by an unknown artist. My client did bring me a picture, but I don't know who they're by, so if you do know who came up with this idea, then please let me know so that I can tag them in my posts. So I'm just going in with the ombre now. I did prep off camera and my client already has a thin clear layer down. So on the smoke nails, I'm using a small brush to do a black and clear sort of marble, and then after I've encapsulated these and filed them later on, you'll see that I go in with a white gel polish and some cleanser to smoke that as well. This colour pink I'm using on the ombre is Nudist by Diamond Nail Supplies. If you get anything from their website, be sure to cop a discount. It's Emma10 at the checkout. I do manage to get most of my structure and apex in with the cover powder, but I do want to protect my blend, so I am capping that blend area and the tip in clarity. So I've done all the finished filing off camera. Now I've just cleansed the nails and I'm popping that white gel polish onto those smoke nails and just dabbing over them with a bit of cleanser to give them that smoke effect. And then I'm going to ask my client to pop her hand under the LED lamp for 30 seconds. And then when she comes out, I'm going to start going around the edge of those two nails with a white gel polish. I've only shown you doing me one coat here, but I do put two coats down and I've cured 30 seconds between each one. After curing both those white windows, I'm going over one of them with the neon pink glass gel. My client only wanted one of the windows on each hand to be this pink colour, and I do put 2 coats of this on, but I've just shown you me doing one. The design's all finished and I'm just popping on my no wipe top coat. This is the tack-free top shine from Diamond Nail Supplies, and then once this is cured under the lamp for 60 seconds, I'll let them cool down a little bit and pop on some cuticle oil. It's the almond cuticle oil. I've left a picture of the end result, so please like, subscribe, share and comment, and follow me on Instagram. Bye.